Good morning, ma'am.
We were in the assembly, and today the last assembly was little bit late. That's why it took little, that means more 2 minutes. It's okay. All of you, how are you? All are fine?
Fine, ma'am.
All are fine? That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see you all. Please turn on your camera. Let us interact with each other. Turn on your camera. Let me see you all.
One minute,
Where are
ma'am.
you? Okay, beta. No problem. First time it is taking. Okay. What happened to student? Can you switch on your camera for a moment? Yeah, I can see Manav. My voice is cutting, but you can listen, right? I can see Anshul Modi. Anshul, you still sit in the place where you can get good connection. And what about other Deep, Harshdeep, Harshil, Khush, Krishna, Om, Rashisa? Yeah, Rushil, I can see you. Okay, fine. Okay, all of you now, join your hands, close your eyes. We'll start the class with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassaviturbharenyam. Chant with me. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassaviturbharenyam. Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassaviturbharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ. Okay, so here we have done Gayatri Mantra. Now we are going to start the class. All of you open page number 24 in your textbook. Keep pen or pencil with you. Keep your notebook along with you so that whenever I will explain the things, you will be writing. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, notebook also.
Yes. If I will give you new words to your meaning in your okay?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay, waiting for you.
Ma'am, today also reading test.
Start, ma'am.
Yesterday we have done reading test. Fine. Only few students had left, so I will call them to read. After that, we'll be starting with the explanation part. Is it okay? Om Karya, he was left to read. Om. Those students hadn't read yesterday, they would read Paras, Om, Rudra was there, and okay, most of the children they have already read. Om, turn on your mic and start reading.
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am, meeting is locked, so, ma'am, I leave I leave meeting and after I join, then meeting is locked.
No, maybe because of network issue you could not enter the class.
No, ma'am. They had seen that meeting is ended.
That I'm saying, no, we didn't do that. Okay, no problem. So have you read yesterday? Paras?
No, ma'am.
Then read it today.
Okay, ma'am. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he did
First you have
it.
to read like this. First, the title of the poem. Okay, then the
Right.
poem.
Title of the poem is "It Couldn't Be Done." Poem. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one who wouldn't say so till he did try. So he buckled right in with the trace of a grin on his face. If he worried, he did. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed, "Oh, you will never do that. At least one ever has done it." But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew, he had begun it with a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin without any doubting or quidditch. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. There are 1,000 to tell you it cannot be done. There are thousands to prosper failure. There are thousands to point out to you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. But just buckle in with a bit of a grin. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just start into sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you will do it. The
That's
poet
great.
of
Wonderful, Paras. Yeah, you are reading the name of the poet?
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead then. Now what happened to Om Karya? Om Karya, I'll give you 0 if you don't read today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has to participate. Whatever the teacher is asking, you have to do it. Got it?
Okay.
Start.
Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied,
First you have to read the title of the poem.
"Yes, ma'am."
First you tell me your name. I'm Om Karya. I'm going to read the poem. The title of the poem
Okay,
is It Couldn't Be Done. Then you begin the reading.
Ma'am, my name is Omkarya and my title is "It Couldn't Be Done."
It is not your title. The title of the poem is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't, but he would be one who wouldn't say so till he tried. So he buckled right in with a trace of a grin on his face. If worried, he did it. He did. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed, "Oh, you will never do that. At least one ever has done it." But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew, he did began it. With a lift of his chin and a bit of a grin, without any doubting or credit, he started to sing as he tackled the thing that couldn't be done and he did it. There are thousands to tell you it cannot be done. There are thousands to prophesy failure. There are thousands to point out to...
Prophecy failure.
Okay, ma'am. Point out to you one by one the dangers that wait to assail you. But just buckle in with a bit of a grin. Just take off your coat and go to it. Just start in to sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you will do it.
That's great. Yesterday I told you all to send me the video or audio of your reading part, but only 2 students sent me yesterday. What about others? You didn't have reading skills?
Ma'am, I forgot it.
What? You forgot it? Homework you will forget. If you forget the things, do one thing, make a diary, note it down everything, okay? And every 1 hour or 2 hours, check yourself whether you have completed your work or not, okay?
Okay,
Got it?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, today I will send you.
Okay, I will be waiting for this.
ma'am,
Yes, Om?
Ma'am, I was forgotten.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to record audio.
ma'am,
Yes, you can record your own. Yes, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, about
ma'am, my mark sheet.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you, Mark. Okay. Om, mute yourself. Om got 3.75, okay, out of 5.
Okay, ma'am,
And
thank you.
Paras got, okay, Paras got 4 mark, only 0.25 difference. Now who is left to read? Anybody is there?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, who's that? Okay, Dhanush. Okay, Dhanush, I am going to share screen. Fine. You don't have book, I think, right? Dhanush,
Ma'am, I
here
am
it is. Read.
listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read? My name
Yes.
is Dhanush. I am going to read a poem named It Couldn't Be Done. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it could not be, but he would be one who wouldn't say so till he had tried. So he buckled right in with the trace of a grin on his face. If he worried, he hid it. He started to sing as he tackled the thing that could not be done, and he did it. Somebody scoffed, "Oh, you will never do that. At least no one ever has done it." But he took off his coat and he took off his hat, and the first thing we knew, he had begun it. With a lift of his chin and a bite of grin, without any doubting or quadding, he started to sing as he tackled the thing that could not be done, and he did it. There are thousands to tell you it
Okay, Dhanush, no need to
cannot
read
be
the.
done.
I have taken your reading test. Maybe because you don't have book, so you have focused more on the screen. Your score is 3.75. I know you can score more than that, But do one thing, you just take the screenshot of that poem and start reading, okay? Anyone left, or shall I start explanation? Okay, no one? Let it be. Okay, so we are going to start a beautiful poem. It is a motivational poem, okay? It couldn't be done. Got it? So after reading this poem, we will learn the importance of determination to achieve goals. Okay? See, if you want to achieve something and you don't do anything for your goal, that means you will be never successful in that way. So you need to put your full determination to achieve your goals or your life. Okay? And also you learn or know that life is not without obstacles. There will be obstacle, hurdles, okay, ups and downs in our life. But the continuous practice of getting the things can you bring or lead you to the success. So don't worry about the obstacles. Okay, how to cope up or how to deal with that obstacle, that we are going to learn through this beautiful poem. Lastly, we'll recognize the importance of believing in oneself. Okay, through this poem, we will understand that what is the importance of doing so. Okay, or believing yourself. If you don't believe yourself, why people will believe on you? Do you think? Suppose you are selling something, because Morbi is full of business. That's why I'm giving you example of that in the sense, right? If you are selling a product, okay, and you are trying to convince to your customer, but you don't believe on yourself that whether the product is good or bad. You don't know anything about that. You don't believe. Suppose you are selling a fairness cream. You know that it will not work. You don't have faith on it. If you know something, if you have faith that you can do that or convince others, then only you can go for it. If you don't trust on yourself, how can you say that other will trust on you? Got it? Most of people, they ask to others, they don't like me, they don't love me, they don't do for me like that, they don't give time to me. But I found these kind of people, they don't give time to themselves for their improvement. They don't care for themselves. They don't like themselves. They don't love themselves. Okay? So if you love yourself, you like yourself, if you are happy for yourself, then you will not ask to other, or you will not demand to other for it. Okay? People demand who does things like that. Got it? So the poem name is It Couldn't Be Done, written by Egbert Albert Guest. Let us know a little bit more about him. He born in the year 1881 and died in 1959. Now tell me, how many years he lived in? Tell me, are you all there?
78.
78.
Yes, ma'am.
Really? How? Tell me how. How it is 78?
Ma'am, 58. 58.
58. No. Okay.
No, ma'am, 78 only.
Okay, I'm teaching you. You are, I think, poor in mathematics also. See, let us do the subtraction. Okay, so he died in the year 1959. So we'll go for subtraction. Okay, that is 1880 and 1. Okay, from 1 minus 80. Now we carry 1, so it becomes 15. 15 minus 8, that is 7. Now it is 8 here, so 8, 8, 0 and 0. So he lived for 70 years. Got it?
Yeah,
So that's
70.
yeah, just in 78, they are right. He was born in British American and is American poet who was popular in the first half of the 20th century. Okay, he was most popular writer or poet in the 18th century, 20th century, and became known as people poet. Okay, so he was famous for the title people's poet because he used to write motivational poem, inspiration poem, or something that motivate people, bring positivity in them. That's why he was known as people's poet. Now, if I will ask you who is people's poet in the age 20th century, then you would write the name Edgar Albert Guest was known as people's poet. Okay, his collection include Home Rhymes, Just Glad Things, and When Day is Done. Is one of those are famous writing of Mr. Guest. In this poem, that means it couldn't be done, the speaker inspired us to give our best to complete any task. Anything we can do, fine, if we wish to. That we may need to do, however difficult it may seem, and regardless of what others say. Okay, what the people are saying, we will just ignore their thoughts and or something like that. Okay, and we'll pass or moving on towards our goal. So here is the first stanza that I'm going to read and explain you same time. Somebody said that it couldn't be done, but he with a chuckle replied that maybe it couldn't be, but he would be one who wouldn't say it so till he had tried. So he buckled right in with the trace of grin on his face of if he worried he hide it. He started to sing as he tackled the things that couldn't be done, and he did it. So this is the first stanza is of 8 lines. That's why the 8-line stanza known as octave. What you call 8-line stanza? 8-line stanza known as octave. Write down in your notebook. Eight-line stanza is known as octave. Got it? Fine. Somebody said that it couldn't be done. That is somebody, the narrator or the speaker, he hasn't mentioned who is that somebody. Somebody can be our neighborhood people, somebody can be our friend, somebody can be our family member, anyone. So anyone can comment us or speak negative about us. So somebody said that it couldn't be done. Somebody demotivate him or to the narrator that the things he is going to do that could not be happen. Okay, not happen in the past time and not going to happen in future. It was their dialogue or their view, or you can say remarks about him. But he with a chuckle replied. So, but he smiled because he was not knowing that whether the things could be done or not, because he never practiced before that, and he decided today to start doing that action. So he smiled, chuckled means smile very gently, and replied that maybe it couldn't. He said maybe it could not happen in past life. Nobody had done this or could not do this, but he would be one. But the narrator said that I will be the one, that I will try my best and try to get success in that. It can be any part of your life. If you are talking about study, if you are talking about physical health, if you are talking about mental health, if you are talking anything that you are aim for, it can be done if you practice or give your full determination to it. So the man or the boy, the narrator was so mentally prepare that what the condition would be. He will try, he will never give up for any condition. He said that, yes, I will make it go done. Who would say so till he had tried. And he said that without trying anything, I cannot say that it could not be done. So, what you understood by this? The boy or the narrator, he did not want to receive that bad comment or bad statement what has been spoken by someone or other, right? Got it? So he buckled right in with the trace of grief. So what happened? He buckled. Buckled means kamar kas lena. Okay, tighten yourself to get ready to do some action. So he just get ready to do or start his job or aim. Okay, start aiming. See what happened. Let me give you an example. I was reading Sudha Murthy's book, that is Maheshwata. Okay, it is a beautiful story. If you read, you will really fall in love with that story. In such a way she writes, it's a sequence. So when I bought the book, I started reading the first page of that chapter or the story. Then I decided anyhow I will complete within 2-3 days. Okay, it was my, you can see it was my determination to complete that reading part. Then I started reading first. Okay, whenever I was getting time for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I used to read. You won't believe, while cooking also I was reading, because most of the time, suppose you are stirring something, you will have time for that. At least you can read 2-3 lines at that time. So in the kitchen, in the drawing room, while sleeping, I used to read the book. So like that, you will have a short aim for your life. You can have, you see, I'm not saying that you just focus on your big aims or that is so difficult for you at the beginning. No, you can start with your small aims. Okay, suppose if you are walking or going for cycling and all. Yesterday was World Bicycle Day, right? So suppose you have decided to cycling for 10 minutes. So you should go for cycling 10 minutes definitely. You should not come back after cycling for 5 minutes or 2 minutes. No. In this sense, what happened? We train our brain to give up. Okay? In this small action, in this short action, we train our brain to nothing happened. Let's move it. See, suppose you are watching a video in YouTube, interesting video, learning video. Okay, you watch the video for 5 minutes, still 10 minutes are left. Again, I decided, no, I don't want to watch this movie. Well, let it be, I will watch later on. So when you say or train your brain in that sense, and one day will come, you have to focus in your study, your brain will say, no, I am not trained to focus on any matter, right? Our body, our mind, whatever we are doing, the strength that we are practicing for, everything need, okay, a practice. Even don't you think that you are smarter, then your brain will receive everything quickly. No, your brain still needs to do that action, good practice to do that action. Okay, so first thing you have to create the positivity to ready your mind to set. Okay, when you train your brain and decide to do something, definitely you will go for it. Definitely you will be success in that. Okay, so the boy, the man who has decided to success in his aim, he just buckled. Buckled means get ready to do something. Kamar kaslina, that means, and he just focused on his aim. Okay, trace means aim, nishana or aim. Write down the meaning of trace. Trace means here aim. Okay, trace means aim. Have you written? Some students are joining new, some students are leaving.
Yes, ma'am, I return.
Okay, trace means aim. Okay, trace of a green. Green means a gentle smile, you can say. Okay, okay, trace of a green where he was going to. So, 1 minute, beta, 1 minute. Fine. On his face, he smiled. He kept a smile on his face. If he would worried, he hide it. Okay. See, when you have decided to do something, definitely you will face so many troubles. Okay. So many troubles. Somebody face a little bit problem, but somebody face so many troubles. Now and then they face troubles and troubles. But if you don't face that trouble, okay, you will not success in that. If you have to face everything. You cannot close your eyes looking at the hurdles or obstacles, right? So the boy who has decided to focus on his aim, he had also trouble, but he was not showing that he is worried for that. He hid that trouble. Okay, no, he just show his smiling face to everyone and said that I'm happy with my aim. I'm not facing anything. So he made himself easy with that hurdle. He started to sing as he tackled the things. Okay, so when he decided to do his action, okay, he just became happy. Better please mute yourself and talk. Okay, so he started sing happily, and as he was singing song, that is saying that he has already tackled the things. That means already achieved the things. That way he was singing the song. But he never stopped doing practicing every day. Okay, so when he decided, he was ready. Whatever the things will come, he will face, but he will never give up for any reason. Okay, so he started singing. He never showed his worriedness to others. He was happy doing this. Okay, that could not be done, and he did it. And nobody had done before that, but the boy, he had done very successfully. Got it? Okay. Now let us find out some figure of speech from stanza 1. First, let us find out the rhyming scale. Okay, rhyming scale with the ending of the line that is rhyming to each other. Okay, so the word like done, replied, won, tried, green, ate, thing, eat. Write down these words in your F&B. Done, replied, won, tried. So done is rhyming with won. So this is A number. Replied rhyming with the word tried. So we can give number B. So we have found A, B, A, B. Green is not rhyming with the above one. but green is rhyming with thing. So we'll give green and thing to C. Eat is rhyming with another H. So the rhyming scale we found in this stanza is A, B, C, D, C, D. So this is your rhyming or rhyme scale of stanza 1. So likewise, can you tell me what are the 2 and 3rd? Rashi, she left the meeting, I think. Arefa joint, tell me what is the rhyming scale in the 2 or 3rd? Arefa joint.
Yes, ma'am.
Arefa, you have to participate. When teacher asks you, yes. Tell me what would be the rhyming scale of stanza 1 and 2? Anshu Modi.
Ma'am, please explain one more time. I don't know.
Okay. Can you see the last word of stanza 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done. That is rhyming with which word? Done and one, both sound similar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to give done and one to number A. So done become number A, one also become number A. Now replied is rhyming with tried, replied, tried. So we are going to give number B. Okay, number B to replied, number B to tried. So we found A, B in a sequence. Now moving to fifth number line, green is rhyming with thing, but green thing is not rhyming with any other word. So it will become number C. So green is C, thing is C. Okay, now eat is rhyming with another eat, last word eat. So it is D. So in that sense, it will become A, B, C, D, C, D. You got it?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now listen it. Now you write down whatever I am going to tell you. Okay? From the
Ma'am, in fair notebook.
second stanza.
Ma'am, in fair
you write down. In textbook you write down. In fair notebook you write, but now you write down in your textbook. Let's move to stanza number. Come to stanza number 2. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us focus on the last word. What are the last words in this stanza? Let us note it down first. You read out what are the last words in the first.
That couldn't be done and did it.
No, you are not getting better. You just listen. What did I say? स्टैंजा के जो लास्ट सेंटेंस के जो लास्ट वर्ड होता है वो लास्ट वर्ड को ही आप ध्यान दो. बताओ अभी. टेल मी.
It.
That, eat, had, eat, green, quid it, thing, eat. These are the last words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So now we are just looking at the last words of these sentences. ठीक है, जितने भी sentences में last word है उसको ध्यान देंगे. That is rhyming with which word? Hat. Are you getting?
Hat.
That is, yeah, that is rhyming with another word, hat. So both become rhyming words. So I am giving to them A. So that also, sorry, this is wrong. Okay, A number. Cancel the second one. That is A. So that become A and had become 8. Now moving to next rhyming word. Eat is rhyming with another eat. So eat rhyming with another eat. So we are giving to them number B. Okay. Now moving to next word. Green is rhyming with thing. Green is rhyming with thing. Okay. So we can give this number to C. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now another word Q-U-I
Ma'am, put
date is rhyming with another word.
did it.
Quid eat. Eat. So which number you will give to them? Number D, right?
Yes.
So we have now, if you count all together line by line, okay? So it will become A, B, wait, A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D. ये तुम्हारे rhyming scale बन गया. Are you getting? You have to write in a sequence. अभी हमने rhyming तो किया है, लेकिन जो स्टैंजा के सीक्वेंस में है, जैसे कि डेट ए है, लेकिन बीच में जो नेक्स्ट वर्ड आया वो ए नहीं है, वो तो बी है, तो हमें लिखना पड़ेगा ए बी. लेकिन थर्ड नंबर लाइन में जो वर्ड है, दैट थर्ड नंबर लाइन वर्ड, राइमिंग वर्ड, दैट इज ए. So we have to write another A. Then fourth number line eat, it is rhyming with second one, and we have given B number, so it will also become B. Okay. Now green, C number, but quidit is not matching. It is matching with thing. So green also C number, thing also C. Quidit D and it also D. So in this sense, it becomes A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D. It is so easy one. I hope you have already learnt in 4th, 5th class. Okay, 4th, 5th class students, they used to learn this. Now you find out from last stanza, okay, what would be the rhyming scale? Third number stanza.
Ma'am, done 1A.
Failure also there, na beta? Failure. Done,
Ma'am,
failure, one, you, green, eat,
Ma'am.
thing, eat.
मैम फेलियर और यू कैसे मैच होते हैं?
हाँ, the sound is, raw sound is at the last. It is similar, na? That's why.
यस मैम.
Done one, failure, you, green, thing, eat. So it is also A, B, A, B, C, D, C. हाँ?
मैम कौन सा साउंड मेथड आपने बोला?
Yes, that is rhyming word. Similar sound. For example,
मैम मैंने ऐसा बोला कि फेलियर और यू कैसे मैच होते हैं?
raw sound is there, na beta? Failure, your, you. Actually, we say failure, okay? But in correct pronunciation, it is failure or sound. So you are saying, we Indian people pronounce little differently, okay? But in Britain English, it is right. Okay, if you don't want to look at this, you can go for stanza number 1. What is the rhyming scale you found?
Ma'am, done.
Tell me, what are the rhyming words you found?
Replied, tried, green, king, it.
Yes, these are the rhyming scale. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yeah, you have to write this in your FNB. Okay. Now time is over, so I'm not going to teach you more. But I will explain. I will explain.
Ma'am, we have to write this stanza or that rhyming skill?
Only rhyming skill. Okay.
And we have to give AKB like this?
Yes. Rhyming word and rhyming skill. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me. You can call me, message me. Those students left the meeting before that, I'm not going to give them present. Okay? Like Malik, Khush, so many students have left. Rashi, these children have already left and I'm not going to give them present. Okay? All of you will get homework today. Do complete scene passage 1 in your worksheet. Yes, Hardeep present. Okay, fine. Do complete scene passage 1 in your FNB, worksheet. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in next class. Okay? Bye all of you. Take care. Yeah, roll number, I have taken screenshot, beta. Roll number 13, Krishna. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Got it. Bye, beta. Anshul, you are present. Yes, I have taken. Bye, beta.